First and foremost, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to Beatrice Caruso. That shout out was completely unexpected, beautiful, lovely, a major surprise, and hilarious in Beatrice Caruso fashion. I love that chef's kiss. Mwah. Love that. Thank you so much. That means the world to me. And to everyone who has come over from Beatrice's channel, thank you so much. Welcome to my journey. Welcome to my channel. My goal here is that I hope to inspire you guys to never give up on yourself. This weight loss journey is hard, like hard a lot. AF is what I wanted to say. But we're stronger, we're harder, we can get through it all. And if I can just inspire one person to never give up on their journey, then I feel like my job is done. So welcome. And to my OG subscribers, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for your consistent, loving support. You guys mean the absolute world to me. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a highly requested video. Someone requested I do this video back in February, and then I got a few people requesting that I do this video recently. So here it is. It is a video on me explaining how I make my workout calendars, my thought process behind it, why I do it, and how it has been a pivotal tool in helping me on my weight loss journey. So we're gonna dive into the video right now. Let's go. Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. For those of you who don't know, my name's Daniela and I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds. I've lost over 60 pounds thus far, all from the comfort of my home. And I'm on a mission to lose these last 44-ish pounds that I have left. So in today's video, I am going to share with you how I calendar track, how I plan for the month, and take you guys along, because on this journey it's so important to visualize your goals. Like getting up every day and not having a plan really makes it difficult for you to stick to your plan or for you to chip away at those long-term goals. So let's dive into calendar tracking. All right, first things first, you want to make sure you have your goals written down for the month. Write down your goals. How many times a week are you going to exercise? What is your nutrition plan looking like? If you track calories, how many calories do you plan to eat for most of the week? Are you going to include cheat days? What does your work schedule look like? Are you busy with work? Okay, so where can you schedule in your workout? Find the best time for you to have your workout in. For me personally, it's in the morning. For you, it may be after work. Find what works for you and stick to it. Number 2, lay out your fitness plan. For me, I like to make things as easy as possible. I'm returning to Beachbody, guys. You guys know I started my weight loss journey using Beachbody on demand. And it's pretty much, I got into it when my hubby was doing P90X and he just got me into it, and then I just started falling in love. I'm team old school Beachbody, by the way. They've been coming up with new programs. They're not my thing, but I do love my trainers, Amala Caesar. I love Shaun T. I love Autumn Calabrese. I love her older stuff. I'm not sure about Control Freak. And who else do I love? Oh, Joel Freeman. Joel Freeman's old school, weightlifting. I love him too. Anyway, so calendar. I made things easier, and this is my calendar for the month. So this is the schedule for Transform 20. That is the program I'm going to be doing. Transform 20 is a 20-minute program, and it's super challenging. It's a 20-minute step program, and it targets different, aspects of fitness. You got faster, so that's kind of like agility training there. Stronger, that's going to be using a lot of strength and push-ups, and powerful. And what I love about Transform 20 is that you get to see your progression every week. It's like, look, you do these things called, what are they called? I think they're called, I forget the name, but basically you do 3 exercises a day that you track. and it's so fascinating to see yourself grow as the week goes on. Like, nothing is more motivating than seeing your tracking or seeing your progress on paper every day. Like, and that is what I love about this program. What is that? I'm forgetting the name of those challenges. Oh my gosh, I'll find out the name when I work out tomorrow. Transformers. They're called Transformers, brain fart. So yeah, I got my plan laid down. Since Transform 20 is only 20 minutes a day, I am gonna toss in another workout program I'm going to do. I'm going to do 2 weeks of Chloe Ting's Intense Core Challenge. I was gonna do one of her new programs, however, it's not in line with my current fitness level. I'm really strong, and I know the Intense Core Challenge that came out last year. I did a video on it and I love the results I got. It got me to a new low weight, and it forces me to be in plank position, and I hate being in plank position, guys. I don't like working out my core. I hate it. It sucks. I like doing standing abs, but because of my injury, I get frustrated because it's really hard to activate my core. And this challenge makes sure I do that because there's a lot of planks in it, a lot of plank position moves and exercises, a lot of reverse tabletop moves, which I absolutely hate. I hate being in tabletop position, but like I said, guys, it's the workouts you hate that you gotta do more of. So I'm sticking this challenge in to make sure I get it done. So I got that laid out. She's got your calendar on her website, so I got that laid out. I got Transform 20, and then this brings me to my calendar. I'm gonna show you how I put it all together. So first things first, I use Microsoft Word to create my calendars. So I open up a document and add a calendar of the month that I'm going to be working on. So for this video, it's gonna be April because tomorrow is April 1st. So I get a calendar. I like this one, so I usually use this one. Press create, go through the process, speed it up here. Here we choose we're going to April 2021. Let's get it done. There we go. All right, so here is Chloe Ting's Intense Core Challenge that I'm going to be doing. And this is the schedule for this. It's a 2-week program. I might do it twice, we'll see. Probably do it once, but I really want to get this program in because I did the first time around like I explained. So this is the schedule. I've got it here. Day 1, we've got 24 minutes of workout. That plank challenge there to the right side is such an epic workout. It is so good for your core. Following the best full body burn, that's just a cardio workout. Day 2, looks like we got the same thing, but she adds some legs and glutes, so we'll do that one. And you guys get the idea. It's a very core focused exercise program, which is what I want. And here we've got Beachbody's Transform 20 by our man Sean T, creator of Insanity. And this program is completely insane. Like I said, I've done it before. It's only 20 minutes a day. Here is the schedule for this one, or not the schedule, but here are the workouts for that one. So we are going to go to program materials, and we are going to the wall/calendar tracker. And this is my calendar for Transform 20. I printed this out. Here is a printed out version, as you guys can see there. So now that I have those 2 calendars set, I go to my Microsoft Word calendar. I'm gonna stretch out the boxes here because they're a bit uneven, so we have an extra space here. So I'm gonna fast forward through this so you guys can see. And so here's the final result. As you can see there, the blue is a walk. I've added in some 60 to 90 minute walks. because your girl's trying to cut and get down to a new low weight. So walking or any low impact cardio like biking really helps to get that done. So I'm looking to add in more low impact cardio. You can see purple is my Chloe Ting workout. Those workouts tend to be 20 to 30 minutes a day, and Transform 20 is 20 minutes a day. So you know what? I won't be working usually more than an hour. On days that I walk, I will be working out around 2 hours because a walk is an extra hour and a half, but a walk is like meditation to me, and it's a great form of exercise. So yeah, that's my calendar. Now let's get it printed. So, as I said with nutrition, I do on the daily, because nutrition is something that I really need to work on, as I have turned to food as a source to dealing with my emotions, which is a big no-no. So with nutrition, I have to mindfully journal about it every day. I have to check in. When I want to binge, I have to really hold myself accountable with this, because I know it will help. When I feel the urge to binge, I need to get out and write my journal and share my thoughts. Perhaps I'll maybe include it in some YouTube shorts on days that I feel like binging, and share with you what I write, just to help anyone else out there who struggles with it. Because when you're in a calorie deficit, binging's gonna happen. It's going to happen, but the most important thing to recognize is that you're human. It's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Just get back up the next day. Every day you fall, you bounce back up another. If you fall consecutive days, keep trying to get back up, and eventually you will build the momentum to overcome those dark days. And don't try to overcompensate for messing up a day. So what I mean, let's say you have a binge the day before, and then the next day you completely restrict. Don't do that. It just sets you up for failure, and it puts you in a horrible cycle of binging and binging and binging. So just, start slow, start where you are, be kind to yourself, and make it happen. Anyway, let's get to tomorrow morning so I can show you how I journal day in and day out overall, but specifically for setting my goals for the day, which include nutrition. Here's today's journal entry. You see that? Big mistake there. Lots of mistakes in this one, so I'm going to show you one where I don't have so much mistakes, just for an example for this video. So, on this one right here, I do gratitude, I do affirmations, and when I say affirmations, I mean doing affirmations that tell you specific details and intention about the goals I want to manifest. And then I write my workout goals. As you can see there, these are my goals, or these were my goals for the day before. So I can focus on what needs to be focused on. 400 to 500 grams of vegetables, 1 serving of fruit, lots of fiber, go to work. This is part of the goals. Consume 1 gallon of water, and etc. etc. So yeah, I make sure I do that on a daily basis, because it really helps me to stay focused. When you struggle with generalized anxiety disorder, your thoughts are all over the place. So journaling and writing it down is probably one of the best ways to manage that anxiety brain. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope it gave you more of an explanation of how I do these workout calendars, because I didn't do it for March, and March, it was good up until the last few days. There was a bit of a struggle there. And I know every time I create these workout calendars, I'm just on point with everything. There's a psychological reason for that, because you're seeing your progress. And when you see your progress and every day you feel that satisfaction of checking off your goals, it builds momentum and it builds self-confidence. So if you have not started calendar tracking, I highly recommend it. Maybe start for a week just to see how things feel out. Be realistic about your goals, and don't be too unrealistic and make your goals a little too far out of reach. Remember, we crush our big goals with little goals. We climb that mountain one step at a time. So do it incrementally. This week has been pretty hectic on my side. I've been in the shop, learning how to use the big girl tools, learning how to work in the trades. For those of you who don't know, the trades are basically blue collar jobs. In Canada here, we call it the trades, and in the United States, they call it blue collar jobs. So that's things like welding, pipe fitting, what else? Ironworking, construction, all those lovely jobs. And I'm in a program where they're trying to encourage women to enter the trades because there's a deficit, and the deficit's only going to be filled if we get some women in there. So let's get some women going into a traditionally male-dominated field to make it better. That's what I'm about. I'm all about breaking barriers. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you smash that like button, and if you're new here or you're dropping by, consider subscribing, as I'm currently on a journey to losing 100 pounds, and I am over halfway there, and I'm gonna get there. Come join me so we can inspire and motivate each other. You got this. Have a good one.